In this video, I want to ask the question, why is Qi Gong so powerful? I really didn't understand this until I took the actual practice up, and then I realized, wow, this is amazing. Which is why I became an instructor. So let's dive into this, go a little bit deeper. So why is Qi Gong so powerful? Qi Gong is so powerful because it works with the body and mind at the same time. The mind and body are, well, the mind is like a time traveler, right? It goes to the past, future, all over the place, and the body is always in the present. So you're bringing your mind into the present with Qi Gong. That's why it's so powerful. Rather than focusing only on muscles or fitness, Qi Gong combines slow movement, breath, posture, and awareness as well. So there's a lot more to it. And I have had people coming to the class and saying, why does I feel so tired in my head after these classes? Because you're not used to focusing so much. This helps calm the nervous system, release tension, and support a steadier flow of energy through the body. Many people find Qi Gong powerful because it is gentle but deeply felt. It does not rely on force. Instead, it helps the body return to balance in a natural way. That's really important. Force against power and balance. With regular practice, Qi Gong can support better energy, clearer thinking, emotional steadiness, and a greater sense of connection within yourself. Its power often comes from its simplicity, consistency, and the way it meets you exactly where you are. That is so important. So if you think about it, force, right? When you use force and you're forcing something all the time, that is so exhausting. But when you're using your energy, your power, and you feel good about it, you're focusing on a higher level of consciousness, that can go on forever and ever and ever. It's like the anticipation of something good happening. When parents have babies, they're excited, right? So they can stay up and have that stamina to keep looking after the babies. After a while, it gets exhausting. I know that, having friends who've had babies, and it can get difficult. But that feeling of excitement, gratitude, the whole feeling of like lifting up your consciousness, Qi Gong can get you into that flow. When you force life with your left brain, you try and strategically plug it out. Here we go, bang, bang, plan it out, bang, 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 bang. It can get exhausting. When you get into the flow of your life, which is what Qi Gong helps you to do, that's when it starts to work really, really well to help you guide you through your life. It's a very difficult world to navigate through at the moment. And it's connected to your three danjons, Qi Gong, which is where your powerhouses are, your lower danjon, your middle danjon, your upper danjon. Upper danjon to help you navigate the world easily. Middle danjon to help you embrace this world, even though it's difficult and it's all really nasty right at the moment. But you can understand it a little bit more deeply when you connect with your middle danjon. But when you connect with your lower danjon, you have the power, the base to actually move yourself forward. So it's important to understand the power that Qi Gong can give you. So what can you do if you want to go a little bit deeper with me? Well, you can click the link around this video, take you to this page, and you can go to Qi Gong for Beginners. It's a complete guide to energy, health, and inner balance. If you don't know anything about Qi Gong, that's where you'd start. If you want to know a little bit more you go a little bit deeper into Qi Gong and the healing power of it, there's an article there you can click. Also, I run live Korean classes. If you're not in the Kingston area, I run live Qi Gong classes on the internet. You can click that link there and it'll let you know exactly what classes, where the classes are. They're actually Thursday evenings at 7 p.m. GMT, 11 a.m. Sunday mornings, and it's really worthwhile getting into these online classes because it will give you a structure to build that power within you. Just imagine that, building that power within you. So in the next video I do have coming up, there'll be more questions asked on Qi Gong and there'll be more answers for you. So click the link around this video and it'll take you to the next video. If not, click the link below this video and you can go through and you can start to work with me a little bit more closer. I look forward to connecting with you very soon. Till then, be well and keep shining.